Hello everybody. This is dose 54, getting ready to go to work. I just woke up from my nap. I weigh 206.2, so I'm still getting rid of all that stuff I ate on the way to Alabama. But there's no way I didn't eat 3 pounds worth of food. Maybe that Whataburger was about 3 pounds. I don't know, about a pound at least, but it's pretty big. But anyway, I'm taking dose 54. Dose 60 is the end of that phase, so yeah, that will be the end of this one. Dose 60. So here's 54. Yep, that's good. I'm taking dose 54. I don't know, it'd be hard to get that probably out there, but anyway, there's those 60 in there. So I'm gonna take my 54, weigh myself tomorrow when I wake up, and hopefully I'm back down to like 200. We'll see. But what happens when you cheat? It sets you back. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna drink a lot of fluids tonight to flush out that salt, and we'll see what happens. So I will see you guys in the morning for dose 56 or 55, right? 50. Yeah, 55. See you tomorrow.